Did you know that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and a well-known commentator, recently made yet another audacious claim? Many people tend to ignore Musk's remarks because they are clearly absurd, but some people still have faith in the billionaire entrepreneur. You would not want to overlook this information. During the most recent Q3 2022 earnings call, Musk stated, "I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. Many people do not. However, see how Tesla relates to these two businesses." In any case, Musk has never held back when it comes to expressing his strong desire for an environmentally clean future. Nevertheless, Tesla's goal, which contrasts with Saudi Aramco's, is to hasten the arrival of sustainable transportation by introducing attractive mass-market electric vehicles. Saudi Aramco, sometimes known as the Saudi Arabian oil business, or just Aramco, is a publicly traded petroleum and natural gas business headquartered in Dhahran, Saudi Arabia. However, Tesla is more than just an automobile company. It is a part of the global computing powerhouse Apple. Tesla is now exploring robotics, batteries, and artificial intelligence. Having said that, Musk's reference of those businesses is neither wholly unrelated, nor does it appear to be a coincidental similarity. In the previously mentioned Q3 earnings call, Musk stated, "Several years ago, I said, I think on our earnings call, that I thought it was possible for Tesla to be worth more than Apple, which was then the highest cap company, I think, in the market at the time." At the time, Apple was valued at around $700 billion. According to the market capitalization of the company, Tesla is currently valued at about $700 billion. Musk asserts that Tesla's market capitalization has surpassed Apple's. The CEO of Tesla now feels that the company can significantly outpace Apple in terms of market capitalization. In fact, I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, Musk stated. Apple's market capitalization is approximately $2.3 trillion, whereas Saudi Aramco's is approximately $2 trillion. Thus, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, believes the company is worth about $4 trillion. Musk did, however, quickly clarify that it won't be a simple process. That does not imply that it will occur or be simple. Actually, I believe it will be quite challenging. It will need a great deal of labor, some really innovative new items, controlled growth, and constant good fortune, he remarked. Afterwards, Musk stated, "I should mention that. When I said that, probably now that I see a path, an extremely very difficult path, incredible execution required, a massive amount of hard work, and some luck to get where Tesla is with as much as Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. I wasn't including Optimus. This suggests that Musk anticipates Tesla's value to increase if the humanoid robot Optimus performs well. Musk also promises to speed up Tesla's solar and energy storage operations. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated the company will increase its solar and energy storage business in 2000 to 2022, promising a very large clean energy industry during the Q4 2021 earnings call. Tesla's utility-scale Megapack products saw excellent sales in 2020, which contributed to a 32% rise in the company's energy storage deployments in 2021 over 2020. From 2020 to 2021, solar deployments climbed by 68%, totaling 345 megawatts for the year. Musk claimed that limitations in the supply chain have prevented Tesla's energy division from growing further. Musk did, however, add that once the supply chain problems are fixed, the goal is to increase production and deployment more quickly than car manufacturing. Despite disappointing some, Q3 2022 production and delivery figures demonstrated that Tesla had effectively increased output. Although some have questioned if there is still a market for Tesla cars, experts don't think so. Tasha Keeney of ARK Invest joined CNBC Squawk Box in mid-October and stated, "I believe there are demand fears out there based on what I've seen in other pieces and from other analysts' perspectives. They're not grounded, in my opinion," remarks Keeney. The CFA at ARK Invest examines EV sales as a proportion of total auto sales. She said that it accounted for about 7% of all vehicle sales in the previous year. Nevertheless, ARK has seen a drop in sales of gas-powered vehicles in recent years and an increase in sales of electric vehicles year over year. We saw Tesla's revenue alone grow 50% this quarter, so I would look at that, and for macroeconomic concerns, I would be much more concerned about the companies that have the majority of their revenues dedicated to gas-powered car sales, because that's what we think is going to decline in the future as EVs become more cost competitive, states Keeney. Keeney thinks Wright's Law is to blame for this. The goal of Wright's Law is to offer a trustworthy framework for projecting cost drop in relation to cumulative production. It specifically says that expenses will decrease by a fixed percentage for each cumulative doubling of units produced. That being said, ARK believes that battery costs are declining at a rate of about 30% for each consecutive doubling in output, since Wright's law accurately predicts battery decline costs that will increase demand and push down sticker costs. Indeed, Musk thinks that even if the Federal Reserve is rising interest rates more than it ought to, they will soon come to their senses and lower them once more. I cannot emphasize we have. Excellent demand for Q4, and we expect to sell every car that we make for as far into the future as we can see, Tesla's chief executive officer stated. Furthermore, Tesla is still refining its battery cell. Tesla has developed a new lithium battery cell design called the 4680 battery, which offers a tabless cell with 5 times the energy capacity and up to 6 times the power output of a typical 18,650 battery. Tesla claims that a 4680 battery has more than 16% more range than an 18650, allowing it to hold more charge and run for extended periods of time. When comparing the 4680 battery to the 18,650, the increased capacity of the 4680 battery will allow Tesla to install fewer cells that will give the same power and range, but at a considerably lower cost. Acknowledged that he had trouble getting his 4680 cells to perform to his standards in the previous quarter, but since then the volume has tripled and the emphasis has shifted to cost optimization. Our production of 4680 cells has tripled in Q3 compared to the previous quarter, Musk stated. In essence, the 4680 ramp's output is increasing at an exponential rate. Musk expressed his belief that the 4680 batteries will work. He continued, "We still feel confident that 4680 will be the most competitive battery cell in the world." According to Musk, the business is working very hard to produce 1,000 gigawatt hours of internal 4680 battery cell production annually in the US alone, covering every major battery cell processing step down to the production of anodes and cathodes and even lithium refining. In fact, it was revealed in mid-September that US-based automaker Tesla is determining whether it would be feasible to construct a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility on Texas Gulf Coast in order to assist the production of batteries for electric vehicles. The automaker stated in a letter to the Texas Comptroller's office that it intends to construct the facilities needed to transform raw ore material into a form suitable for battery manufacture, according to Reuters. It is anticipated that trucks and rail will be utilized to transport lithium hydroxide, a crucial component of EV batteries, to the many plants that manufacture Tesla batteries. In the application, Tesla stated that, in order to promote its sustainable product line, it is also taking into account the processing, manufacturing, and ancillary manufacturing processes of additional battery materials. The article points out that Musk had previously stated that if lithium prices rise, the company might go straight into large-scale mining and processing. The company intends to begin building the lithium implant in the fourth quarter of 2022, subject to permission, with commercial manufacturing expected to begin by the end of 2024. Compared to the traditional method, Tesla's new factory will employ cutting-edge procedures that require less dangerous reagents and produce usable byproducts. According to Bloomberg News, when automakers try to secure the supply of lithium, which has seen a price increase this year due to growing demand from the sector, Tesla may be the first in the industry to directly participate in lithium refining. Today, Tesla uses its Gigafactory Nevada, which it jointly owns with Panasonic, to produce the batteries for its electric vehicles and energy storage devices. Additionally, the business intends to start producing batteries at its recently constructed Gigafactory Texas, which is situated just outside of Austin. Overall, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has big plans for the company that aren't just idle speculation. Too perfect. Tesla products, the whole team at Tesla is working on several projects ranging from development to production. Having said that, it is increasingly evident that Tesla is expanding into new markets in pursuit of a cleaner and more promising future, even while its primary product remains electric cars. In order to receive more absurd news regarding Tesla stock, make sure to subscribe to this channel.